Don't be a prisoner in your own home. Take back control of your time with Billy Go. When you use the Billy Go app, you never have to wait for a plumber again. You choose the time that works best for you. As that time approaches, you can track your plumber on a real-time map to see exactly when he will arrive. No more sitting around at your house for hours, waiting for your service tech to finish other jobs before getting to you. The Billy Go app will tell you if you've got enough time to run that extra errand. It's your time. Use it for whatever you need. Billy Go is locally owned and operated and only hires the best plumbers, so you never have to worry about the quality of the person or their work. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. As part of an introductory offer, and only for a short time, you will receive a $59 discount toward your first service. Download the Billy Go app today and set your schedule free. Billy Go. It's about time.